How to draw a cartoon cat, easy and fun. Ready to draw a perfect cartoon cat? Begin with the basics. Sketch a big circle for the head, smaller ovals for the body, and 2 pointy triangles for the ears. It's all about building a solid foundation. Now bring your cat to life with some adorable details. Draw big, curious eyes, a tiny triangle nose, cute whiskers, and of course, a long swoopy tail. Don't forget the playful personality. Time to finesse your feline. Use smooth, clean lines to refine and connect the shapes. Imagine drawing like you're petting the fluffiest cat. For a final flourish, add texture with light, sketchy fur and a cheeky smile that says, "I'm too cute to handle." Feel free to experiment and make it uniquely yours. Now it's your turn. Grab your pencils and share your adorable cartoon cats with us. Don't stop doodling. Your next masterpiece could be a whisker away. Follow for more fun art tips and tricks. Let's draw together.